sun is the reminder that we too can shine our own light, that we too can rise from the darkness again. Hello everyone, I'm Megha Sachdeva and you're watching Mars Health and Fitness. In this video, I'm showing you a mini tutorial of Surya Namaskar. So let's get started. Each posture in Surya Namaskar has its own importance, and you make sure that you keep maintaining your breath while doing Surya Namaskar. Bend forward. You should do this 5 times each morning and you'll really see a difference. Thank you so much for watching.